In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell wallpapers on Gumroad. We're going to walk through the full process of setting up a digital wallpaper product, from creating it on your dashboard to publishing it so people can buy and download it. First, head over to your Gumroad dashboard and log in. Once you're on the main dashboard page, look for the navigation menu and click on Products. This is where all of your current and future products will live. On the products page, click on the New Product button. Gumroad will open a new product setup screen. Start by clicking into the name field and typing a clear, simple name. For example, you might use something like Minimal Phone Wallpapers Pack or Ocean Wallpaper Collection. Choose a title that tells buyers exactly what they're getting. Next, select the type of product. Since wallpapers are digital files, choose the digital product option. This ensures that customers get an instant download after purchase. Now, set your price. Click into the price field and enter how much you want to charge. Then open the currency dropdown and choose the currency you want to sell in, like dollars or euros. When that's done, click on Next Customize to move into the customization settings. On this page, start with the description field. Write a short but helpful description of your wallpapers. Mention what's included, like how many wallpapers, what resolutions they come in, and what devices they're best for. Below that, you'll see a URL field. This lets you customize the link to your product page. Try to keep it short and related to your wallpaper name. In the cover section, upload a cover image or video that represents your collection. This is what people will see first, so choose something eye-catching. Then, in the thumbnail section, upload a smaller image that will appear in product lists. In the product info area, choose your call to action text from the dropdown, such as buy this or I want this, and then write a brief summary that clearly explains what buyers will receive. You can optionally click add details in the additional details section if you want to include extra information such as file formats or usage notes. In the integration section, decide whether you want to connect this product to other platforms like communities you run, so customers can be invited there automatically. Next, review the pricing section. Here you can get more specific with how people pay, such as allowing pay what you want pricing or enabling installment plans, if that fits your strategy. In the version section, you can click Add Version if you want to offer different tiers, like a standard pack and a VIP pack with extra wallpapers. In the settings section, choose any extra options you need, such as limiting the number of sales, letting customers choose a quantity, or showing the number of sales publicly on your product page. Now go to the top of the page and click on the Content tab. This is where you add the actual wallpaper files. In the Content Editor menu above the text area, look for the Upload icon, which sits to the right of the hyperlink icon, and click it. Select your wallpaper files from your device and upload them. These are the files your customers will download after purchase. Once your content is uploaded, click on the Receipt tab. Here, you can customize the button text that customers see after purchase and add a short thank you message or instructions, like where to find their downloads or how to use the wallpapers. When everything looks good, click on Publish and Continue. Gumroad will guide you through the final, straightforward steps to finish publishing your digital wallpaper product. After that, your wallpapers will be live and ready for customers.